Hello everyone, this is a tutorial on how to use Splashtop for recording and doing math. So first off, the button that you're going to want to press is going to be this button that has a stop sign on it right now, like the red square. It's going to be a red circle and it's going to say to record. That's the one you're going to want to do. Now right now there's also a record button here, but you don't want to really hit it because I find it doesn't work. It doesn't sync to your photos. It syncs onto your computer, and the audio gets all buggy and staticky. So what you want to do is you want to actually go to the button that's down, I think right here. So when I close, oh well, I guess I can't show you, but when you can see it, it's like right here. Okay. And so that's the button you want to click. That's going to start things up, and it's going to be recording. It's just one stream. Like, it's not like I'm sure you could do it in parts, but I really only do one video and then I stop it. I don't edit it at all, really. I don't do it in parts and then bring them together. I'm sure there's an app that's really good for that, and I'd love to hear anyone tell me that, but for this video I'm just going to show you how to do it for one stream. So the tools that you see right here, you have a marker which comes in different colors. Okay, and this is like a finer tuned one. You have an eraser. You can hit erase all, or you can even change the size of the eraser, and it shows you there on the right what the size is. So you can erase. And then you can also change the size of the marker like this. So I usually keep it right there. And then you have a highlighter. Now I use the highlighter if I'm highlighting terms in like a word problem or something like that. This is like a circle that you could just put on there. I don't really ever use that. And then this is like a laser pointer. I don't really use that one at all either. And this is text that I haven't really played with at all, so I'm not really going to talk about that. I usually only use this one and the highlighter and the eraser. And then of course you have your undo button right up here. Your no wait, redo it right there. And then this is like if you want to input photos and stuff, but like I said, I don't really ever use that. So what I'm on right now is I'm on a blank black paint page. So if you look, I'm on full screen, but if I go right here, so I went to view full screen, and I just call it Math Template 1. It's just paint. So if I go to view full grid, boom, it becomes a black screen. Now I don't use this too often anymore. Actually, what I use is this, which is a Google Doc, because I want them to write stuff like vocabulary. I write the essential question too, because I think that's important. I have the unit title up top as well. But vocabulary, I find it's better if I just type it out. They can actually see what it is. It's a lot easier than trying to write it out with my handwriting. And then steps, I usually do right here, and then I already have the examples ready to go. So like right now I'm doing volume, so I don't have to draw any cubes or anything. I just have it ready. And that way, if they need, I tell them, if you need to pause to draw it and write stuff and write the example problems, do it. But I'm already going to have the examples written out because it just cuts back on time, and I want to make these videos short and sweet. All right, and then so what I do usually if I'm doing an example, I'll have the examples here. I'll go to the marker at the bottom right, and then I'll just start doing it like volume equals length times width times height, 8 times 12 times 6, whatever, and then that's how I do it. Actually, that's a little too big, so I'll go down like that. So, and I like to keep it like that, and I just usually write on the side where there's some space, and that's how I make the videos. And then when I'm done, I close out this, and then I hit the stop button, and when I stop it, I'm not going to do it right now, because otherwise it's going to stop the video. That's exactly what it does, though. It stops it, and it's going to save it onto your photos, and then what you want to do is you want to upload it to your Google Drive. So I have videos uploaded to my Google Drive. It usually just goes right in the main drive, but I have something called math videos that I save it to, and then I have it according to chapter. And then what I do is I'll rename it. So I'll go here, I'll hit rename, and then I'll also hit download. And when I hit download, it goes into my downloaded files. So and I like to put it as the name, otherwise it's going to be called image something. So here's all my videos. And I started, you can see the first chapter, I didn't really title it anything other than like 1.1, 1.10. And then when I got to chapter 2, I'm like, you know what, I need to actually start titling it what the chapter section is called, just to make it more specific. So then I go to download, and you want to have it in downloads because when you go to YouTube, and you upload your video, right here you go to upload video, it's going to go from your files. So you can select file, and then I just go to downloads, and boom. That now I have it. I can click on the one I want. Let's say I want to do, it's probably going to say I've already done it, but if I want to do this one, I upload it. Okay, and the cool thing is you can change the title right there, give a description. You have the link that you could put on Class Dojo or Google Class, so I just copy it right away. Thumbnails, like if you want to put a cute little picture, but it'll usually give you a picture of something in your video if you don't want to. So like sometimes I'll put like a funny little meme on there, just because I know the kids like that. Like here's one I had earlier, SpongeBob. And then audience made for kids, yes. I think it will make sure that it doesn't. And then I think you can even have it where you don't have comments on it. I think if you have it for kids, it won't let you do comments. See, and right here it says I already have a duplicate of the video. But you can also, once you go to the third step, it will let you schedule it. So let me see if I can find a different video. Just delete that one. I guess I'll have to delete it another time. Oh, there it is. Delete. So that's the draft. But you could schedule it. So I don't have any scheduled. They already got published. But that third step, it'll say schedule, and it'll give you a date and time. It's pretty straightforward. Now, if you have any questions, please feel free. My door's always open. You can come see me, and I'll help you out however I can. But that's really it when it comes to videos. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.